Hi, welcome back to Tracy Creates Dishes. Let's make some smooth, creamy mashed potato. Peel 1 kilogram of potatoes. Cut potatoes evenly. Place potatoes in a saucepan. Cover with cold water. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Boil until potato is soft. Strain the water. Add 5 grams of stock powder of choice. Add a good pinch of salt and pepper. Start mashing. Add 60 grams of butter. Continue mashing. Pour a small amount of milk and mash. Pour a small amount of milk and mash. Ready to eat. If you have leftover mashed potato, you can put it in a piping bag, snip the tip and pipe mashed potato onto grease-proof paper. Then place it in the freezer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from freezer and place in a Ziploc bag and seal it. Then you can store it in the freezer. When you next feel like mashed potato, you can heat it in the microwave. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell.